Did you know that the microwave oven was invented by accident? In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working with radar equipment when he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he experimented with popcorn and an egg, which exploded. This led to the development of the first microwave oven, forever changing how we heat food. Subscribe for more fun facts.